Hello, Amin. Nice to see you. How are you?
Good, thank you, Jiaoshi. It's nice to see you too.
How has been your practice for now? Which level are you practicing at the moment?
Right now, I'm still on the second level with the Yang qigong, but I've been practicing for about 6 months, I think, so far. So,
Mm-hmm. And did you practice other forms of
Mhm.
qigong or energy practice before actually starting the qigong system?
Yes, I have for actually a long time. And Tai Chi is one of the main things I've practiced.
What
For
was
example.
your experience? Your experience with this practice? Can you share a little bit with us?
Sure, I'd love to. With Tai Chi, what I've noticed a lot is when you go out and learn with some people, they're showing you just movements and telling you to do these forms in a very slow way. But there's so much more to Tai Chi about it. It's very deep practice that most instructors, when you go out there, they don't even teach these kind of things about Tai Chi. So it just becomes this kind of slow movement and not really a depth into the practice, you know?
What do you think it's missing?
I think what's missing is that the knowledge of what's actually going on the internal level of Tai Chi and people not knowing how to teach that.
Mm-hmm. Which is more related to qigong in some aspect because qigong really develops that internal feeling, so to speak.
Absolutely, absolutely.
Okay. So you have done this for many years, Qigong
Yeah,
and Tai Chi. You're
yes,
also an instructor, a teacher.
yes, I am.
Okay. What benefits and improvements did you have with the Qigong system?
Well, so far, I have to say the most thing that I enjoy about it is that it makes me feel more comfortable in my own body and my ability to function throughout the day with clarity. Like again, comfort, moving, no sore knees or backs like this or sore necks. Really, really, really good to make me feel comfortable in my body.
So in general, you would say an improvement of your health.
Yes, definitely.
But it's strange because you have done Qigong and Tai Chi for many years. So there's something different about Qigong you can report as far as your experience.
Yes, well, the way instead of just doing basic forms or movements, you have taught this deeper level of where to put your mind in the body and be active with the exercises, and a deeper level with the mind and your emotions and feeling. And so that's something I think is really huge that I can go and do movements like I've learned throughout the years, but it's not the same as, having this special kind of focus that you bring with the practice that helps me feel things that, are pretty profound.
So you feel like there is a difference in the effectiveness, just to make it
Hmm.
simple somehow.
Yes,
Okay,
absolutely.
I understand. And how has been your experience in learning online? Because this is something that creates some friction sometimes when people think to learn Qigong online. How was your experience?
Well, with your school, it's very awesome, because what you do is different than everybody else. I myself, like I said, have been teaching for a while, so I've even done online courses. But making a video course and just having people try to figure it out on their own like this, it's very, to me, it's not the full thing. So having an instructor like you is I think one of the most important things people can have because they get true guidance and know how to fix things if they have a mistake. You're always there to help people, and that's really meaningful to me because trying to just watch a video or read a book is not going to be the same of having the experience with working with a
Mhm,
real person like yourself.
mhm. So it's mainly the assistance, basically, having somebody more experienced in that specific discipline who can verify your findings, no? Instead of going blind and reading a book or trying to replicate some external movements that at the end of the day, we don't even know whether we are in the right track or we're just imagining things or we are going, a little bit lost into this field.
Yeah, yeah, a very very big difference. I really recommend people having a real instructor to work with instead of just videos or books trying on their own.
Okay, and this actually lead me to the following question. Would you feel to suggest Qigong to others? If yes, why?
Absolutely, I would because of the way your school is set up and your system and the hard work you put in with your students. It's definitely something that I believe anyone who wants to either whether they're new to the practice or they've been practicing for a long time, I feel like they will make progress right off the bat by working with you in this way. So I definitely recommend that anybody, old or new, to this world of energy work.
Okay. Well, I thank you very much for your time. It has been a pleasure, and I hope that could inspire other people. Your sharing, and thank you again. We didn't say where you're from. You are from US. Where in particular?
Yes.
And then
Yeah,
didn't ask you your name. I see it on the screen. I know your name, of course, but if we can close in this way, it could be a nice way to close the session.
I am Amin from DC in the United States.
Okay, cool. Well, thanks
Right.
for your time, and I'll see you soon, Amin. Okay, thank you very
All
much.
right. Thank you.
Bye.
Have a good day.